Good morning. This your guy LP from S&W Service and Repair. And today, I have been talking to you guys, but I hadn't actually explained to you guys what I do. So I have an appliance repair company, and I am basically a one-man show. My wife helps out with a little bit of the back-end work, but she has her master's degree, and she's working on some other things. So we thought it would be a good idea for us to work together, and she could do some of the calling to the warranty companies for me. And that still may happen, but I have actually kind of taken on the back end work again for reasons that, like I want things done when I want things done, and I don't like to wait. So that's partially the reason. If I say get something done, I want it done quickly so that I can continue moving on to the next thing. And sometimes you like, I'm doing my work, I got this going on here, I'm on break, so in order for me not to be aggravated or cause any problems within my relationship, I just was like, I can do it, I can handle most of it anyway, so it wasn't a big deal. So I'm doing mostly warranty work at this point. I turned off all my lead generation, my Angie's List, my Thumbtack, my Home Advisor. I turned all that stuff off, and I'm just doing a lot of warranty work or customers that I've already serviced and they call back. Just taking care of those customers, those COD customers that I've already have a relationship with. The warranty work keeps me pretty busy because I have a full-time job. It's winter, so basically I can only take on one job after work every day, and I try to schedule it like that. Also, another thing with my business, I try to schedule all of my jobs after work, but also I try to make sure I have all of the parts with me when I go out on a call. So I will get the model number and a description of what's wrong. Then I will go out and pick up the parts. I have them delivered through Macomb. And then, man, I don't feel like sitting in that line right now. I had some stuff to drop off the UPS, but I'm not a line waiter. And they were closed yesterday, so everybody's off in there trying to get their packages off, I guess. So I'm not waiting in that line. I'll catch them later on or tomorrow. Not too big a deal. Just $110 get returned to me in a couple days or so. Yeah, so anyway, back to what I'm talking about as far as the appliance repair one-man show. How we run it is make sure we have all the parts that we possibly can before we go out on the job. So right now, I was gonna go to the UPS store. I need to run by the warehouse, pick up a Whirlpool dishwasher control board. I have a $60 core on it. I've already paid for all of the parts. I paid $667 this morning for the parts for my upcoming 4 or 5 jobs. Yeah, 4 or 5 jobs there. And I'm gonna go pick up the parts. I didn't want to wait till tomorrow because Macomb was closed yesterday. If I order today, they'll be here tomorrow for most of them. They had a couple of them that I was missing. The big thing about Macomb is in Dallas, you have to mail back the cores and everything. You can't drop them off. The Dallas location is only a ship out location. They will not let you pick up parts or return parts. So I didn't want to have to pay to return the cores again. So that's $120. I have 2 control boards with cores. They're gonna be $120 back. But if I have to ship them back, I'm sure they're gonna take like another $20 when I can pick them up down here at Reliable Parts in Dallas, Mesquite now. I'm gonna take 1 core to them so they can already shoot me a credit for $60. Then I'll bring the other one back if I need the part. But I'm buying all these parts not knowing that I'm gonna need them or not. I mean, the symptoms and the schematics say that, yeah, it's one of the possible lows of interest, but, hey, anything can happen. User error, I have a call that's I'm going to today after I pick up the parts up in Gainesville. And they said that she was cooking cookies and the oven just kept heating up and it locked. So we're either gonna have a problem with the control board thinking it's going into self-clean, or somebody actually pressed self-clean when they were cooking and it engaged. So once it engages, it's not gonna unlock until the cycle's finished, or we turn the power off by tripping the breaker. So we'll go over here and try to test it. It's old as heck, so it doesn't have a function for me to put it in diagnostic mode. There are no codes per se from the customer, so we'll have to see what we have. The control board can be sent off to be rebuilt, but other than that, it's a no-go on it. It's just that old. So we'll go up here, run it out, check it out, see if it was user error or if they're gonna need a control board. Then we'll see if they want us to send it off and have it rebuilt. I think it's with shipping and everything, I think it's about $300 for me to send it out to either Part Simple or one of the other ones. I used two of them. I can't think of the other one. But yeah, send it off and have it rebuilt. If they want to do that, we'll see. Get out of the way over here. Oh boy, driving kind of fast. But yeah, man, this is how we run the business. Pick up the parts beforehand, get out there, and you're gonna have to make sure that you on the telephone call and get authorization with these lower limits. That ain't no thing. I got my control pad, my iPad right on the side of me. I already have a general idea of what's going on. What I'm gonna do tonight is work up invoices and leave them in the draft spot. So once with all of the potential possibilities that are wrong and the prices, and then after that, once I get there and finally pinpoint and drop it down, then I can subtract the things that is not, call my warranty company, get it either approved or denied, and keep it pushing. I know that we would have to replace the control board and the user interface board. Now that one of them's available, we're gonna ship that right on to them after we check it out, diagnose it, pretty much know for sure what this is, because looking at the schematic, it can only be one or two, and once we do that, we put both of them on there. We're not gonna play with it. So they're gonna either have to get them a dishwasher, or they're gonna have me to pull the control boards out and have it rebuilt. So we'll see. But guys, that's it for today. Just a little bit of how we run the business and a little bit of rambling there.